Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your keyword database with Semrush easy tutorial step by step clearly. To back up your keyword database using Semrush, start by logging into your Semrush account. After logging in, navigate to the Keyword Analytics section on the left menu. Select Keyword Overview from the drop-down menu. Enter the keyword or phrase you want to back up in the search bar and hit Enter. Review the keyword data that appears, which will include search volume, keyword difficulty, and other relevant metrics. To save this information, click on the Export button located at the top right corner of the page. Choose your preferred file format from the export options. Once you select the format, the file will begin downloading automatically to your computer. Repeat this process for any additional keywords you wish to back up. If you want to back up multiple keywords at once, go to the Keyword Manager section. Here, you can add keywords in bulk by pasting them directly into the input field. After adding your keywords, click the Save button to create a list. Once your keyword list is ready, you can again use the Export option to download this list. After exporting, check your computer to ensure the download was successful. You can now access your backed up keyword database at any time. This process ensures your valuable keyword data remains secure and easily retrievable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.